What's up guys, I'm KB Kwan from Taste of Asian Food. A crispy fried shallot is a must-have condiment for most Asian families. It adds crispiness, aroma, flavor. It ranges from noodles to fried rice to congee to tofu. And of course, you can purchase it from the Asian grocery store. But to make it yourself at home is quite easy. So in these videos, I'm going to show you how to make crispy fried shallots and the accompanying shallot oil. Let's get started. First, you need shallots, not large onions. I chose a Thai shallots about 2 cm in diameter for this recipe. Cut away both ends of the shallots and remove the skin. If it's dirty, just wash it with running water and then dry it with a kitchen cloth or paper towel. Cut the shallots crosswise into rings, either with a mandoline or with a sharp knife. It's important to slide the shallots into equal thickness and make it very thin to produce a crispy texture. I also loosen up the rings to maximize the surface contact with the oil during frying, as this step definitely will help to make it even more crispy. Add some vegetable oil into a medium-sized saucepan. I prefer using peanut oil or palm oil, or you can use sunflower oil or canola oil, which has a neutral flavor. On the other hand, olive oil is probably not suitable to make these Asian-style fried shallots because we do not want the flavor from the oil to compete with the flavor of the shallots. Once the oil is heated to medium, place the shallot slices into the hot oil. Make sure there's enough oil to submerge them for even cooking and keep the temperature at medium heat and let it sizzle slowly. This process will take a while, which depends on how much shallots that you have and also the temperature of the oil. The end point is when the shallot has become golden brown. You need to check the color from time to time, and now you can see that the color is not golden yet. "10 minutes has gone. Now you can see the color has turned to slightly darker. When the color has turned to as what you see now, switch off the stove and keep stirring. And once you get the desired color, remove the fried shallot immediately from the oil. Let the shallots cool in a colander or a wire mesh strainer. That's how it looks like after deep frying. Very crispy, golden brown. You can hear the sound when I shake it, very crispy. Place the fried shallots on a piece of paper towel to absorb the extra oil. Now let's take a closer look of the shallots. You can leave the crispy fried shallots suspended in the oil. That's how I keep the shallots at home, as the oil will keep them crispy as long as the oil is fully covered them. This was made 2 weeks ago, and let's crush it. Hear the sound? Still very crispy. Alternatively, you can keep the fried shallots in an airtight container at room temperature, and it can be kept for a few months and still crispy. The fried shallot has multiple usages. One of the simplest way I do it at home is to put it on top of any noodles. You can use any noodles and it's very simple to prepare. What you need to do is get the noodles, add some light soy sauce, some dark soy sauce, some oyster sauce, and very importantly, add some shallot oil that you have just made. And then sprinkle plenty of shallots on top. Mix together and it is incredibly delicious. Another example is to put it on tofu. Season with some light soy sauce and of course the shallot oil that you have just made. And use the fried shallots as topping. With a little bit spring onion as garnish. That's how to make crispy fried shallot at home. And I've also have shown you some examples how to use it at home. And if you want to get the recipe, I've included it in the description right below the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, tap the notification bell, and give me a thumbs up. I'll see you again in some other similar video soon. Bye for now.